Welcome to our comprehensive series on digital twins. Over the next few videos, we'll dive deep into the concept of digital twins, exploring their creation, applications, challenges, and future trends. What is a digital twin? A digital twin is a dynamic virtual model of a physical object or system. It uses real-time data to replicate and simulate the performance of its real-world counterpart. History and evolution. Digital twins originated in the aerospace industry but have since evolved. Today, they are used in various sectors, from manufacturing to healthcare, enhancing our ability to monitor and optimize complex systems. Core components. Digital twins typically consist of three core components: the physical entity, the digital model, and the data connection. Together, these elements enable real-time updates and simulations. Benefits overview. Benefits include improved efficiency, predictive maintenance, better decision-making, and enhanced product development. Digital twins are revolutionizing how we understand and interact with complex systems. Stay tuned as we explore how digital twins are created in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.